Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning. Just here to tell you a little bit about Cracker Barrel syrup. It's my favorite maple syrup, but unfortunately they don't have a Cracker Barrel anywhere near me. So when I went out of state, I went to Philly. Me and my husband stopped at one, and they give you these like extra syrups on the table. So I always like make sure I take them home because I'm obsessed, and the only place you could get them is online. So I just wanted to take a little one home. So very luckily you're able to purchase these online. I think that's probably the only place you could get them unless you actually physically go to a Cracker Barrel. But like I said, by me, they don't have any on Long Island, so they are hard to come by. So the ingredients are maple syrup and 55% maple syrup and 45% cane syrup. This is 100% pure natural syrup from the Cracker Barrel Old Country Store. 55% pure maple syrup, 45% cane syrup, Maple Grove Farms. Net weight is 1.5 floral ounces or 45 milliliters, and it's kosher. Distributed by Maple Grove Farms of Vermont, a division of E&G Foods, St. Johnsbury, Vermont, 805819. This is a glass little container, and then it has the screw off top. So I think it's the best maple syrup, and Cracker Barrel actually makes a really great pancake mix as well, but of course that's like sold separately. So the nutrition facts: 12 servings per container. The serving size is 2 tablespoons. The calories are 100. Total fat 0 grams, sodium 0 milligrams, total carbs 26 grams, total sugars 26 grams, includes 26 grams added sugars, and 0 grams of protein. The only ingredients are maple syrup and cane syrup, and it is packed especially for Cracker Barrel, Old Country Store in Lebanon, Tennessee. Copyright 2017, and you do have to refrigerate after opening, so it stays fresh for longer. But you guys will try this, and if you try it, you'll see like why people love it and why it's so good. And I'm just a huge fan. It's very tasty, and I know people love, like, they're very much known for like their breakfast, but just their food in general. And then I think they're also really known for the syrup as well. So it's like a pretty thick consistency, but you'll see when I pour it out, because it's hard to tell while it's in the container. But it's absolutely delicious, and I feel like it almost has like a little bit of a buttery flavor, even though it doesn't have butter added in it. I do, however, wish it is a lot of cane syrup, so I do, however, wish it was like more pure maple syrup than the cane syrup. But I mean, it tastes awesome and everything. It would just be nice if it was more natural. That's the only thing they have to say negative about it, but other than that, it's really good. I love it on pancakes, waffles, French toast, like thinking like different recipes like you can make with it. It's just awesome and super delicious. So I think I'm actually going to put it on one of my protein waffles this morning. Okay, so this is my blueberry protein waffle. Of course, some Cracker Barrel syrup on there that I'm like actually obsessed with because it's so good. And I just add a little butter, not that it needs it, but since I was a little kid, I always put a lot of butter and syrup on my waffles and pancakes, whatever I was eating. So you guys can kind of see here, it has like a delicious taste, a great consistency, and it's especially great when you put it on something that's like just fresh, like off the skillet, or, you know, the waffle was just like a toaster waffle right out of the toaster, kind of just like melts right on there. Super tasty. The maple syrup flavor is delicious, and I definitely suggest you guys try it. I think if you have kids, they're gonna love it too. And even if you haven't been to Cracker Barrel, I definitely suggest you order some so you guys can have it, you know, whenever you're eating waffles and pancakes. I know sometimes Sunday mornings like today, I usually do like waffles or pancakes. Today I'm doing frozen ones because I wanted the protein waffle, but you know, even if you just make whatever Aunt Jemima pancakes at home or Krusty's pancakes at home, having this to go on top of it will definitely complement your breakfast nicely. So I hope you guys try it out, Cracker Barrel 100% pure natural syrup, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.